Very good day to everyone. I am Shri Abhinaya, the leader of the group. Hi, I'm Kritika, the editor of the group. Hi, I'm Sanjana, the script writer of the group. And lastly, I'm Sunny, the videographer.
The project we took up is solar night light in alarm system.
What is a solar night light?
The function of this project is to absorb solar energy to form a night light and alarm sensor. Absorb its energy and supply power to the solar charger controller.
Hey Abhi, how does this project work?
Well, a solar charge controller will be connected to the system to set the appropriate timing for the solar night light to function. As for example, in the solar charge controller, we have a menu. So if you press the menu, you get a 24-hour system to set the correct timing.
That sounds interesting.
This system helps to save our electric and energy costs as well, maintain a long-term savings plan.
That's not it. By utilizing clean and renewable solar energy, these lights reduce carbon footprints and minimize reliance on fossil fuels.
What's that? That's an alarm system. What does it do?
Electrical energy generated by solar energy can be stored in solar cells. As a conclusion, all we want to say is that as a renewable source of power, solar energy has an important role in it, as well as reducing greenhouse gas emissions and mitigating climate change, which is critical to protecting human, wildlife, and ecosystems.
Oh my god, the electricity bill of my house is increasing.
What's wrong, Kritika?
My electricity bill is so high.
Can I see? Do you know this project gets to save our electric money?
Oh yeah.
Hope we get to show all of you the importance of our project to the society.
And that's all